Okay, so I'm doing 4 exercises, flexibility exercises for this assignment. 2 of them, which are self-myofascial release flexibility exercises, and 2 that are static stretches. They're both considered to be corrective flexibility types of exercises. There's 3 phases in flexibility, in the flexibility continuum. There's self-myofascial release, and then there's static stretching. There's corrective flexibility, there's active flexibility, and then there's functional flexibility. And for this assignment, I'm going to focus on corrective flexibility. It appears that there's a postural distortion of pronation in the client's knee to hip region, a possible postural distortion in her lumbopelvic region or the lower extremities. So in this instance, I would say there's a muscle imbalance and you need to strengthen muscles in that area. And that's why there's that inward angle of the knees and not a straight line from the knees to the hips. So I picked a few exercises, and then the 4 that I'm going to demonstrate, 2 of them are self-myofascial release and 2 are static stretches. So the first one I'm going to do is the tensor fascia latae, the iliotibial band, the IT band, and the TFL. It's a self-myofascial release exercise, and I'm going to demonstrate it right now. So first I'll describe it to you in case you can't hear me when I'm doing the actual exercise. So you want to foam roll your side, the lateral side in front of your hip. You're going to start at the top of your hip, and then you're going to cross the top of your other leg over top of the hip of the leg that's on the foam roller, with your foot just gently touching the floor, and you can have your leg at a 90-degree angle, the one that's not on the foam roller, and then you're going to roll your hip from hip to lateral knee slowly until you find that tender spot, and then you're going to hold it for 30 seconds. So again, starting at the front of your hip. So I'll do that now. So that's the first one. Second one I'm going to go over is adductors. Again, it's another self-myofascial release exercise where you're holding for 30 seconds. This time you're going to lie prone with one thigh flexed and abducted, and then you're going to foam roll the groin area inside the upper thigh. Slowly you're going to roll your inner thigh until you find that tender area. And once that's identified, you're going to hold that for 30 seconds again. So I'll do that exercise now. So that would be 30 seconds on each leg, of course, and same with the other, the IT band. You would want to do 30 seconds on each side. Static stretching, I'm going to move to that, and that would be the supine bicep femoris stretch. So this one you're going to lay on your back, and you're going to lift your one leg to a 90-degree angle, and that'll be in front of you. The other leg is going to lay straight, flat on the ground with your toes pointed upwards, and then you're going to grasp your lateral side of your knee with your opposite hand, and then you're going to gently pull your knee to the other side. Your other arm that's not holding your knee can just lay in a T shape on the floor. So when you pull, you need to do that for a 30-second hold. So I'll do the supine bicep femoris stretch now. It's a static stretch. Okay. That one's good for your gluteus medius and maximus, as well as the bicep femoris, which is hence the name of it. So the next static stretch that I'm going to demonstrate is the standing TFL stretch. Basically, I'll just describe it and then I'll demonstrate it again. So you want to stand staggered with your front leg slightly bent and your back rear leg straight. You want to externally rotate your back leg and draw your navel inwards. You want to squeeze the gluteal muscles while you're rotating your pelvis posteriorly, and then you're going to slowly move forward until you have a mild tension in front of the hip that's being stretched. So once you're in that position, you're going to raise your arm on the same side as your back leg, and then over to the opposite side while you're maintaining that pelvis position. So you're going to hold that bend, and then you're going to rotate posteriorly, and you're going to hold that for 30 seconds. So I'll demonstrate that right now. Okay, So that was the last one, the static standing TFL stretch. So thank you for watching the 4 flexibility stretches that I had to do for this assignment. It was clear and you can hear me. So I have the pool behind me, or in front of me I should say. So thanks so much. Bye.